How are you?
Fine.
Are you all fine? Everybody is fine?
Yes, sir.
आवाज येते माझी तुम्हाला व्यवस्थित? काही प्रॉब्लेम कुणाला? नो प्रॉब्लेम. डू यू हॅव एनी प्रॉब्लेम?
No, sir.
No, sir.
ओके.
No, sir.
ओके, कुछ कुछ बच्चे उधर से शायद धीरे से आवाज निकालते हैं. ऐसा तो नहीं है ना? क्या रेंज नहीं है? Anyway, so yesterday we saw the first part of our lesson, that is the hack driver, right? Today we will again, this is all we have seen. Harry Sinclair Lewis, American novelist, winner of Nobel Prize, right? And he has written novels and also short stories and playwrights, dramas. He has received Nobel Prize in the year 1930. This is what about the author was. And then we have seen, now you see this is the first paragraph, and I want one of you to read this paragraph so that I can ask, just focus on this first paragraph, because I'm going to ask you some question on the based on the same paragraph. Okay, who will read this paragraph from your side? Any one of you will read. Okay, Prathamesh, Aru, you read this paragraph first. Prathamesh.
After graduating with
Yes,
sir.
it,
After graduate
Hmm.
after graduating with honors, I became a junior assistant clerk in magnificent law firm. I was sent not to prepare legal briefs, but to serve summons. Like a cheap private detective, I had to go dirty and shadowy corners of the city to seek out my victims. Some of the larger and more self-confident ones even beat me up. I hated this unpleasant work and the side of the city life it revealed to me. I even considered fleeing to my own hometown where I could have been a real lawyer right away without going through this unpleasant training period. So I rejected one day when they sent me out 40 miles in the country to a town called New Mullion to serve summons and
Summon. It is
on a
called
man
summon. Yes.
to serve summons on a man called Oliver Lutkins. We needed this man as a witness in law case, and he had ignored all our letters.
Very good, Geda. Now, who is I in this paragraph? I means who here?
The lawyer.
The lawyer, yes, the lawyer, or you can call the narrator, the lawyer who was given the task of finding Lutking. Okay, very good. What was he? What was he? What was his profession?
He was a lawyer.
Okay.
He was a lawyer, but he was assigned the task of sending summons to people.
Okay, he was lawyer. Actually, he was not in this paragraph. You can see he is not a lawyer. He want to be a lawyer. Okay, it is given in the first line. What profession he was doing? Here it is given. He was a junior assistant clerk.
Junior assistant
Yes,
clerk.
in a big firm. Very good. Okay, so why was he not happy with his work? Why did he not like his work of giving summon to the people? Yes.
Because he often has to go to dirty and shadowy corners of the city to seek victim, and some of them were more self-confident would beat him.
Yes, very good. They used to beat him. Okay, that's why he hated that work. Okay. which is the word in this paragraph which means that to run away? Which word?
Flee away.
Fleeing. Very good. That is the, okay. Where did he want to run away?
To his hometown.
To his
hometown.
Okay. Why did he want to run away to his hometown? What for?
Because he don't like that job.
Okay. And so what would he do in his hometown?
To be a clerk. To be a real lawyer.
To be a real lawyer. Very good. Right. And which is the word which is the synonym of very happy, feeling very happy? Which word in the paragraph means feeling very happy?
Rejoice.
Rejoiced. Yes. Rejoiced means
Rejoice.
yes. Yes. So to which town he was sent to?
New Millions.
New
New
Orleans.
Orleans.
Okay.
Million.
Okay. To whom he was expected to give the summon?
Oliver Lutkins.
Okay.
Oliver Lutkin.
Okay. What was Oliver Lutkin needed for?
He was
He was
needed in
a
a case.
victim for a case.
He was needed in a law case. Okay. Which word in the passage means not to pay heed? Not to pay heed. Not to take care. Not to pay heed. Which word in the passage means not to heed? Give importance.
Ignore.
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 Ignore. This is the word. Okay. Very good, beta. Excellent. Now let's see the next paragraph. Okay. Again, somebody will read. I tell the name. Now you read. Kranti, are you there? Kranti Raut. क्रांति पढ़ो बेटा इसको. क्रांति आएगा दीदी तू?
Yes, sir.
चलो पढ़ो उसको. Read paragraph. Kranti.
When I got to Newton, my major expectations of a sweet and simple country village were severely disappointed. Its secrets were rivers or with rows of wooden shops, either made of sour brown or bare of any paint at all. The only agreeable sight about the place was the delivery man at the station. He was about 40, red-faced, cheerful, and thick about the middle. His working clothes were dirty and well-worn, and he had a friendly manner. You felt at once that he liked people. I told him to find a man named Oliver Lupton.
Very good, Swati. Good. Now, what was the narrator thinking about the village life? What was his image?
Sweet and simple.
Simple and
He thought that
sweet.
the
Okay,
life
why
was
was he disappointed when he reached New Million?
because the streets were rivers of mud with
Yes.
rows of wooden shops, either painted with sour brown or bare painted.
Yes, it was without paint. Very good. So what was the only good thing in that place, in the village? What was the only good thing there?
Delivery man at the station.
Yes. Right. Okay, now, Mansi, can you hear me? Mansi? Okay, Mansi, can you describe the delivery man there? Can you tell me few things about delivery man?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell, beta. Batao. Describe the delivery man.
The delivery man was about 40, red-faced, cheerful, and thick about the middle.
Okay, but repeat once again. Repeat, beta.
The delivery man was about 40, red-faced, cheerful, and thick about the middle.
He was 40 years of age. He was having red face. He was very friendly, cheerful, and thick about the age. Was he wearing a new clothes?
Oh, he was wearing dirty clothes.
And worn clothes. Okay. And let's see, what was his name? His name was Oliver. Sorry, no, name is not given here. Okay, let's see. Next paragraph. Okay. Now, Prachi Goti, read. Prachi,
Yes, sir.
read beta.
Lutkins, I saw him around here about an hour ago. Hard how to catch to always up to something or other. He's probably trying to start up a poker game in the back of his shop. I will tell you, boy. Is there any hurry about locating Lutkin? Yes, I want to catch the afternoon train back to the city. I was very important and secret about it. I will tell you what. I have got a hack. I will get it out and we can drive around together and find Lutkins. I know most of the places he hangs out. He was so open and friendly that I grew with the warmth of his affection. I knew, of course, that he wanted to the business, but his kindness was real. I was glad the fair money would go to this good fellow. I managed to bargain down to dollars an hour, and then he brought from his nearer sort of large black boxes on wheels. He remarked, "Well, young man, here's the carriage." And his white smile made me into an old friend. These villagers are so ready to help a stranger. He had already made it his own task to find Oliver Lutkin for me.
Very good, beta Prachi. Nice. Okay, now you tell me, children. Okay. Where did that delivery man, where did he tell the author, narrator, tell me the places where that Oliver Lutkin can be found according to the delivery man? Which places he told that he could be found?
Back of the Fritz
In
shop.
the back of
Back of the fish shop.
Back of
Yes.
Fritz
What was he
shop.
doing there? What was he doing there?
Trying to start
Start up a poker game.
Yes, he was trying to start up the poker game. Okay. So what was the negotiation? What was the deal between the narrator and the delivery man? What was the deal between them? कौन सी deal हुई दोनों के बीच में?
$2 per hour.
For what?
The hack driver would take him to Oliver Lutkins,
Yes.
and he would pay him $2 per hour.
Per hour. Yes. Okay. Why was this narrator, the lawyer, impressed with the nature of the hack driver? What good qualities he found in him?
Because he was ready to help the writer.
Yes.
He had already
Yes.
made his task
Yes.
to find Oliver Lutkins for writer.
Yes, that is the correct answer, because he thought that he was very friendly in nature and he was ready to take the narrator everywhere where there was a chance to find Mr. Lutkin, and he had considered this work of the stranger as his own work. Okay, very good. Now, इसमें कोई वर्ड है जो आपको नहीं आ रहा? You can ask me the meaning. Okay, पोकर गेम आपको पता है? पोकर गेम होता है ताश का पत्ता, जुआ जिसको हम कहते हैं. Okay, now let's see. हमने यहाँ तक देखा था yesterday. We will see now the next paragraph. Okay, you see here. Just read and then I will explain the paragraph. Okay, Ashwati, you read this paragraph.
He said, "I don't want to interfere, young fellow, but my guess is that you want to collect some money from Lutkin. He never pays anybody a cent. He still owes me 50 cents on a poker game. I was fool enough to play with him. He's not really bad, but it's hard to make him part with his money. If you try to collect from him in those fancy clothes, he will be suspicious and get away from you. If you want, I will go into the Fritz and ask
For him.
for him. You can keep out of sight behind me. I allowed for this, but by myself, I might never have found Lutkins. With the hack driver's knowing help, I was sure of getting my man. I took him into my confidence and told him that I wanted to serve the summons on Lutkins, that the man had refused to be a witness. When this information would have quickly settled our case, the driver listened earnestly. At the end, he hit me on the shoulder and laughed. Well, we will give Brother Lutkins a little surprise.
Okay, why did the hack driver tell the lawyer not to come forward and he will search himself, Mr. Lutkin? Why he suggested him not to come front and he will go and he will search Lutkin for himself, for him? What was the reason? यहाँ पे मिलेगा आपको आंसर, है ना? यहाँ पे देखिए. Yes, Veera?
Because he'll be suspicious and get away from him.
He was wearing a fancy clothes, and if he knew that somebody is looking for him, he will run away and it will be difficult. Okay, why was that man so important for the in the that case? Why was giving summon to Mr. Lutkin was so important? Anyone?
Because
Why?
he was the witness.
He was the witness, and what would his witness do? Here you can see the answer.
His witness would have quickly settled the case.
Settled their case. Okay, and then that's why his witness was very important in the case, and it was necessary to give him the summon. यहाँ तक हमने वही देखा था, and now we will see today the next paragraph, right? Okay. So now Prathamesh Kute. Prathamesh, are you there, beta? Prathamesh Kute, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, read the paragraph. Everyone will just see. We will discuss this paragraph after Prathamesh read it. Okay, read, beta. Let's start. प्रथमेश, आवाज नाही येत आहे का बाळा तुला? निखिल उगले, तू आहे का रे? निखिल.
Yes, sir.
Okay, read.
Yes, sir.
Read बेटा. Let's start driver पासून. हाँ.
Let's start driving. Let's start driving. Most folks call me. My business
आवाज नाही का?
is
आवाज नाही आहे. Okay. प्रथमेश आरू, you read. प्रथमेश आरू, वाचलाय तू, आहे ना अगोदर? Okay. Wait. मृणाल गायकवाड, you read. Mrunal, you read. Mrunal is not there. Sakshi Shinde,
Yes, sir.
read the paragraph.
Let's start, driver. Most folks around here call me Bill or Magnesian. My business is called William Magnesian Fancy Carting and Hanging. All right, Bill, shall we proceed to Fritz? Yes, Lutkins is just as likely to be there as anywhere. Plays a lot of poker. He's good. He's good at deceiving people. Bill seemed to admire Lutkins' talent for dishonesty. I felt that if he had been a policeman, he would have caught Lutkin respectfully and jailed him with regret. Bill led me into Fritz. Have you seen Oliver Lutkins around today? Friend of his looking for him, said Bill. Cheerily. Fritz looked at me, hiding behind Bill. He hesitated and then admitted, yes, he was in here a little while ago. Guess he's gone over to.
Yes.
He has gone over to Gustav to
Yes.
Gustav to get a shave. Well, if he comes in, tell him I am looking for him. We draw to Gustav barber shop. Again, Bill went in first, and I lingered at the door. He asked not only the
Sweetie.
Swede, but two customers if they had seen Lutkins. The Swede had not. He said angrily, I have I have not seen him and don't care to. But if you find him, you can just collect that $35 he owes him. One of the customers thought he had seen Lutkins walking down Main Street, this side of the hostel.
Very good, beta.
Hotel.
Nice. Okay, very good. Now you see in this paragraph, you will see their search begin. Now they start searching Lutking. Now you see here two shops you can find on the screen. One is Freeze and second is Gustav. Gustav is a barber shop. Okay. And Freeze is another shop. Now let's see. Let's start driver. Most folk. Folk means people. Around here call me Bill Magnuson. He's introducing himself. वो जो हेड ड्राइवर है वो कहता है most of the people here call me Bill or sometimes they call me Magnuson. What is my business? My business is called William Magnuson Fancy Carting and Hacking. This is my business. Carrying the people. Carting आपको मालूम है to carry the goods from one place to another. Hacking means the hack driver to carry the people also. Okay, my business is William Magnuson Fancy Carting and Hacking. Okay, alright, Bill. Now the narrator is calling by him by his name. Oh, कहता है Bill, shall we proceed to Freeze? Proceed to means shall we go to the Freeze shop because you have told that he may be available at Freeze shop. So shall we go to his shop? Yes. Lutking is just as likely to be there as anywhere. It is possible that Lutking can be there. It is possible that he is there as he can be anywhere. कहीं पे भी हो सकता है तो वहां पे भी हो सकता है. Because why should he there? Freeze क्या है? Freeze shop is a poker game. वहां पे पोकर चलता है. पोकर में ताश के पत्ते, जुआ खेलने वाला. Okay. He plays a lot of poker. He is a very habitual of playing poker game. बहुत पसंद है उसको. Card game. He is good at deceiving people. What is he good at? Lutking is good at deceiving. Deceiving का अर्थ होता है cheating. He is good at deceiving people, cheating people. Bill seemed to admire Lutking's talent for dishonesty. Now you see, when he was speaking, when he was talking about Lutking के बारे में जब भी वो delivery man बोल रहा था, Bill जो बोल रहा था, in what tone he was speaking, किस तरह से बात कर रहा था, as if that he seemed to admire. Admire means P-R-A-I-C, praise. Praise मतलब प्रशंसा करना. क्या प्रशंसा कर रहा है? Lutking's talent. और लटकिंग का टैलेंट किसमें था? ऑफ डिसऑनेस्टी. ऑल तरह के जो चीटिंग काम थे. ही इज अ चीटर, ही प्लेज पोकर, है ना, ही नेवर रिटर्न द मनी. दीज आर ऑल हिज बैड क्वालिटीज, बट ही वाज स्पीकिंग वेरी हाईली, ही वाज स्पीकिंग रिस्पेक्टफुली. किसके बारे में? लटकिंग के बारे में बोलता था. तो टैलेंट फॉर आई फेल्ट दैट व्हेन ऑथर सेज, व्हेन द लॉयर सेज, व्हेन आई वाज लिसनिंग टू हिम, जब मैं उसकी बातें सुन रहा था, आई फेल्ट दैट, मुझे ऐसा लगा, if he had been a policeman. देखिए ये सेंटेंस इंपॉर्टेंट है. if he had been a police, अगर वो policeman हुआ रहता, कॉप रहता या पुलिस रहता, तो क्या किया होता उसने? he would have caught Lutking respectfully. he would have caught Lutking respectfully. उसको बिल्कुल जैसे चोर को वो कैसे पकड़ते, रिस्पेक्टफुली पकड़ते क्या? नहीं. तो ये अगर पुलिसमैन होता तो रिस्पेक्टफुली पकड़ता था. and jailed him with regret. and with regret means with sorrow. पश्चाताप, feeling very bad that he has to send him to the jail. उसको जेल भेजता था. कैसे? with regret, पश्चाताप के साथ, repentance के साथ, he would have sent him to the jail. Such kind of feeling, such kind of idea, what you call feeling he was having towards Mr. Lutking. He knew that Lutking is involved in all type of bad activities. Even then, he speaks very highly. He admired his talent. Okay, ये जो सेंटेंस है आप यू कैन यूज. देखिए ये क्या है? इफ आई हैड बीन अ पुलिसमैन, अगर मैं पुलिसमैन होता. इफ आई हैड बीन अ प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया, मैंने क्या किया होता? आई वुड हैव, है ना, तो आप क्या करते? यहाँ पे लिखते थे आई वुड हैव लगाना है उसमें. I would have built a big hospital, or you can anything, or whichever you want to do. If I had been the principal, I would have done this, I would have done that. तो ये सेंटेंस कंस्ट्रक्शन आपको याद रखना है. If I had been a policeman, अगर मैं पुलिसमैन होता तो. If I had been the captain of India, Indian cricket team, I would have won the World Cup. I would have given the chance to this player. You can use such word sentences also. So ये कहता है narrator, if he had been the policeman, the Mr. Bill, what would he have done? He would have fought Lutkin respectfully, and he would have jailed him with regret. Okay. Now, the first of all, Bill led me to into fridge shop. He took him to the fridge shop. Fridge shop में लेके गया और उसने पहले बता के रखा था कि मैं आगे जाऊंगा, तुम मेरे पीछे छुप के रहोगे. ओके, ही एंटर्ड द फ्रिज शॉप हिमसेल्फ. बिल खुद फ्रिज शॉप में गया यहाँ पर ये शॉप में और क्या पूछता है, हैव यू सीन ओलिवर लटकिंग अराउंड टुडे? आज आपने किसी ने तो भी, because there are naturally many people are there, some are playing, owner of the shop is there, then the customers are there, so he asked them all one question, have you seen Oliver lurking around here today? Friend of his, देखिए उसका friend of his looking for him searching it, उसका एक मित्र उसको ढूंढ रहा है. ये सेंटेंसेस आपको ये लेसन के एंड में ये सब याद रखना है आपको, क्योंकि उसमें बहुत एक सस्पेंस छुपा हुआ है of this lesson. Okay, have you seen the lurking here? Because his friend is looking for him. Said Bill cheerily. Cheerily means happily. Please look at me. Please look at me. Please मतलब ये जो मालक था, किसने किसकी तरफ देखा? नैरेटर की तरफ देखा. ये नैरेटर पीछे था. Please look at me. Hiding behind Bill. I was hiding behind Bill. मतलब नैरेटर. He hesitated. Hesitated कौन? Freeze. Reply देने में hesitate कर रहा था. थोड़ा संकोच कर रहा था. He was not frankly speaking. And then admitted. Admitted means then he told the author, told the narrator, and उसको भी कहा, बिल को क्या कहा? Yes, he was in here a little while ago. Few minutes before he was here. Guess he has gone over to Gustav's to get a shave, and now he has left my shop. And I hope that, I guess that, मेरा अंदाजा है, he has gone. इसको देखिए ये जो इस तरह का होता है ना सेंटेंस एपोस्ट्रोफी यस लगा, either it is he is और उसको पढ़ना he has, और क्योंकि अभी ये प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस है. he has gone over to Gustav's. Gustav is a barber shop to get a shave. shave मतलब शेविंग करने के लिए वहां गया है, ऐसा मुझे लगता है. ये कौन कह रहा है? फ्रीज कह रहा है. ओके, well, if he comes in, if he returns to your shop, tell him I am looking for him. उसको बताना I am looking for him. I am is Bill is looking for him. Then after leaving that shop, मतलब they did not find here, उसको फ्रीज के शॉप में नहीं मिले. Then we drove to Gustav's barber shop. We went to Gustav barber shop. Barber shop था जो उसको बताया था फ्रीज ने कि वो शेव करने के लिए गया. So they went to Gustav barber shop. Okay. Again Bill went in first. Again Bill went in first. He was behind. कौन? Author, lawyer. And I lingered. Lingered मतलब पीछे रहना. I stay back. मैं पीछे रहा. I stay back at the door. He asked not only the Swedi. Swedi is the shop owner. उसने पूछा, Swedi को पूछा, have you seen lurking here? But he said no. And again he asked two customers. Two customers जो available थे वहां पे Gustav shop में. If they had seen Lutkin, Lutkin को देखा क्या? The Swedi had not seen. Swedi said no, I did not see him. He said angrily, और Swedi angrily भी क्या कहता है? ये Swedi is the owner of the shop. He said angrily, I haven't seen him. मैंने तो नहीं देखा है. देखिए प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस है ये. I haven't, उसका नेगेटिव सेंटेंस है. I haven't seen him and don't care to, and I don't want to see him also. मुझे देखना भी नहीं, उसको मिलना भी नहीं. But remember, if you find him, you can just collect that $35 he owes to me. He owes to me. He has borrowed from me $1.35. Okay. If you find him, you must collect that amount from him. Who said this? This Swede said. Swede told him. And one of the customer, ये तो Swede ने कहा उसको, बड़ा एंग्री था Swede, क्योंकि उसने कहा मेरे से भी पैसे लेके गए, मिलना भी नहीं मुझे, मेरे पैसे ले गए, लेकिन तुम्हें मिला तो मुझे पैसे जरूर वापस देना. Okay. One of the customer thought he had seen Lutkin walking down Main Street, this side of the hotel. Then one of the customer told Bill that yes, I have seen him. Where did I see him? I have seen him walking down Main Street. On the Main Street, I have seen him. दिस साइड ऑफ द दिशा भी बताए कि ये रोड का जो साइड है होटल के बाजू में मैंने देखा उसको. द कस्टमर्स टोल्ड हिम. See here, you can see that the author, the narrator is not searching. Who is searching? Bill is searching. Bill is ahead, author is behind, narrator is behind. That is the problem. Okay, so first shop he went to Fri's shop, then they went to Gustav's barber shop, but they did not find. Okay, now next, where did they go? Let's see. Okay, Roshan, Shreya, read.
Yes, sir.
Read, beta.
As we climbed back into the hack, Bill concluded that Lutkins had exhausted his credit as Gustav's. He had probably gone to Gray's for a shave. At Gray's barber shop, we missed Lutkins by only 5 minutes. He had just left, probably for the pool room. At the pool room, he appeared that he had just bought a pack of cigarettes and gone out. So we pursued him, just behind him, but never catching him. For an hour till it was past 1 o'clock. I was hungry, but I had so enjoyed Bill's rough country opinions about his neighbors that I scarcely cared whether I
found Latking or not. Very good, beta. Very good, say. Okay, again their journey began. Their search began. Now we climb back. Again, they started their search. And when they Bill concluded that, Bill ne kya bataya when they again started their journey? Concluded that since Lutking had exhausted his credit at Gustav's shop, why was he not in Gustav's shop? Why did he not take his shave? Why did he not do his shaving at Gustav's shop? Because he had exhausted his credit. Credit क्या होता है? क्रेडिट कार्ड आपने देखा होगा, उधारी पे काम करना. अब वो एक गस्टॉप शॉप में वो नहीं कर सकता कि उसकी उधारी ज्यादा बढ़ गई होंगी. एग्जॉस्टेड मींस ओवर हो गई ज्यादा क्रेडिट, और उसने पुराना बिल नहीं दिया होगा. He may not have repaid his old bill. That's why where might have he gone now? He had probably gone to Gray's shop. अभी दूसरा शॉप है ग्रेज हेयर कट. यहाँ पे देखे नाम अपन सब है. तो पहला तो बार्बर शॉप था, गस्टॉप के यहाँ नहीं था, उसका क्रेडिट खत्म हो गया था. That's why he had gone to Gray's shop for a shave. Then when he reached at Gray's shop, Gray's barber shop, we missed Lutking by only 5 minutes. When they went there, the Gray's shop में उसको they were told that yes, he was here. अभी भी था, but only 5 minutes before he has left the shop. 5 मिनट पहले ही चला गया, ऐसा वहां पे बताया गया. He had just left probably for the pool room. कहाँ बताया उसको अभी कहाँ गया होगा? Pool room गया होगा. What is pool room? Pool room क्या होता है? जहां पर बिलियर्ड्स खेला जाता है. बिलियर्ड्स मालूम है आपको, जो जैसे 2 बॉल होते हैं और स्टिक से मारा जाता है. Oh, that game is called pool room. वो जो खेला जाता है वो pool room में खेला जाता है. ऐसा बड़ा कैरम बोर्ड जैसा ये होता है, डायस होता है, बॉल्स होते हैं और बड़ा रिच गेम होता है वो. So he might be at the pool room to play the billiards game. So when they reached the pool room, it appeared that he had just bought a pack of cigarettes and gone out. When they reached and when he inquired, जब उन्होंने इंक्वायरी की वहां पे बताया गया yes, he was here, but he did not play any billiards or any game. What did he do here? He had just bought a pack of cigarettes. सिगरेट का पैक गया लिया उसने and he went away. So we pursued him. P-U-R-S, pursued का अर्थ होता है chased him. Chased him मतलब followed him. वो छोड़ जहां पे भी पहुंचता था 5 मिनट पहले निकल जाता था. So we chased him. We went behind him, just behind him, but never catching him. But we were unable to catch him for an hour till it was past 1 o'clock. For an hour, 1 घंटा हो गया till it was past 1 o'clock. 1 बज गया. Okay. 1 बजते till 1 o'clock we were chasing him, but we were unable to catch him. So narrator says, I was hungry, but I had so enjoyed Bill's rough country opinion about his neighbors that I scarcely cared whether I found Lutking or not. He was not feeling any he was not feeling sad. He was not feeling that I did not find Lutking. It was his failure actually. They searched everywhere. They spent a lot of time, but they were unable to find him. But he did not mind it. उसको कुछ बुरा नहीं लग रहा था. Why he was? Because he was enjoying the company of बिल्स, बिल्स की कंपनी एंजॉय कर रहा था. क्या कंपनी की? बिल्स में क्या था? His opinions, he was speaking about the people, country people के बारे में जो उसके व्यूज थे वो एक्सप्रेस कर रहा था about his neighbor, and that listening to him was giving extreme joy to the narrator, and that's why he was enjoying his company, and that's why he never felt sad about his failure to find Lud King. Is it clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay, today we will stop here, and tomorrow we will see the next part. At 9 o'clock tomorrow we will meet again. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, beta.
Okay,
Take
sir.
care. Okay, bye.
Bye, sir.